All right, first new thing. Same rhythm as number 2 from last week, but just a little easier chord progression. And remember, just the 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. Those speeds are like do at least those each day. But anytime something feels like a struggle, increase the speed at a slower rate. Do it by 10s, do it by 5s. Make it as easy on yourself as possible. Okay. So since you already know the rhythm for this, I'm just going to go ahead and do my usual 3 demonstration speeds, the 60, 110, and 160. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 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 3, 4 down. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 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 3, 4 done. 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 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 3, 4 done. Right. Alright, so this rhythm we have 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and same throughout. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 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 done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 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 done. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 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 done. And on to the funny one. So yeah, I've got the 8th note rest symbol, which you will ignore on the repeat. And on the repeat, you will let that B5 chord carry over across beat number 1, or at least the downbeat of number 1. And yeah, so you start with the upstroke, and so the count we have is going to be and 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4 and 2. 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 3, 4 and done. So careful of that ending there, because the last chord is on a downbeat. So you might be tempted to try and play it on the upbeat, since you're doing that throughout the rest of it. So careful with that part. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2. 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 3, 4 and done. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 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 done. All right. Just one little tidbit of info. So the black metal thing you're talking about, I said it was a minor dyad. Basically what that means is a 2-note minor chord. So like I think you played it starting on E. Well, let's say you did. I'm going to start on an E. So the notes E and G, that's a minor third apart. And it's the first 2 notes of an E minor chord. So dyad basically means 2, so 2 notes. You're playing, the 2-note version of that guy, which is just a straight ahead E minor chord. You typically notice this, which is the same idea. You have the 3 notes E, G, and B being played here. E, B, E, G. That's what gives it the minor sound, that E and the G together. And then B and E again. Well, this is just a very simplified way of doing it. E, G, B. But you just get rid of that 5, and you have the dyad there. And then the inverted 5th chord you did, where you're barring those first 2 notes with your index finger. Make sure you use your pinky instead of your ring finger, so this way you can easily transition from the regular power chord to the inverted one. You can even do that a lot easier. Okay. I just spit a little. That's disgusting. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. And, I'll see you again in a week.